That's Chucky being a turd. Curious babies. Curious little babies. Hi, babies. Sam, if you'd quit pushing on me, that would help. Hello, babies. Hello, babies. Oh, we got an itch. Hi, babies. Oh, we got another curious one coming. Sam's leaning on me behind me, breathing hard. Hello, babies. Strength in numbers, huh? Hi, babies. Hi, babies. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Silly girls. Hello, pretty babies. I'm not touching your baby. Breakfast time at the Berry Ranch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them having breakfast right here this morning. Except for the bull. He's having a grass breakfast. The rest of them are having dairy products. Easiest way to open the gate.
Huh?
I just said it was the easiest way to open the gate.
Reckon they get by me if I move over here?
I wouldn't bet on it.
Let them shut it.
Yeah.
They need to shut it.
Yeah, Harrison said that longhorn skull was up on top of the bone pile. Somebody brought it back, didn't they? Feel guilty. comes the bulls. They're getting off the truck, coming back from a senior pro deal at Perkins. You can hear the thunder rolling. 8:50, he's already over there rubbing pipes because he can hear them coming back. And he is hell-bent on establishing dominance every day, every time. There's SOS, which stands for Son of Snoopy. His daddy's a herd sire to a lot of the really good buckers here. He's gone on to greener pastures by now. And 8:50, and Lover Boy, and Cheap Shot back there in the back. These are some of them that didn't make the trip. They didn't get the call to go. So they're still up here in the pasture waiting to get fed. Again, that water trough waters 4 different pastures. And they may come up here to the water trough on this side, or they may go around. Just follow the leader. Now we got everybody started. Pretty good exercise just coming up the hill on the rocks. They get off the truck. That's the first thing they want to do is come to water. Some of those steers in this pen, they've been around a long time. They're survivors and they're pretty smart about it. He's coming to water on this side. I'm just going to keep moving back out of the way. They take their time coming up the hill. They've all been bucked today. And then they got hauled home until this cloud cover came over. Heat index was 107 today. It's down to about 87 now, so everybody's coming up the hill. They may stop and drink there, but where this bull here is walking through is actually their pasture. And they'll get to it, and they can go out the far corner over there, and they've got about another 70 acres they go on to. Oh, SOS over there making sure they know he's the bull in his pasture. If you listen really close, you can still hear the thunder rolling behind us. I'm praying it does rain. I'd stand here in the rain video on any day right now. It looks green and we're grateful, but any rain we can get this time of year is huge, even if it's just a sprinkle. Where they're walking isn't grass or at all, it's all solid rock. If there's anything that's sore or tender-footed when it comes off the trailer, you'll sure know it when they come up the hill. Everybody's getting reacquainted. Normally about this time of day they'd be getting fed, but when they get off that truck they're so happy to be out. They'll just go straight out to grass in the pasture. They got to get out that far gate where they're going out and down a hill through the woods. They come up on the other side of the woods. They go straight down and straight back up, and there's a pasture about the same level on the other side. This is still part of the what we call the bull hauler pasture coming off the truck here. A little bit slower. David said the last one's a black and white one coming up, and he said he's a little bit sore, so he's taking his time. It's not like they're crippled or anything like that. It's just like normally they walk in the grass and in the pasture. When they come up the hill, they're on the rocks, so they just take their time and take care of their feet. Go on, bud. I see you. He hears me talking. Go on. There's his horns. And he may just have an abscess from a rock or just be foot sore. In an arena dirt, he's fine, but on the rocks, he's taking extra time. But when he gets through here, I get to go reset gates for the next bunch. They're heading down the grass, the first place they get to it. That's not even where the most grass is, that's just where they are. My leader just called and said we missed one. We thought the old black and white one right there was the last one coming up the hill. It's a little foot sore. But that's not correct. That is Henry down there. This is Henry, the last one for bull hauler pasture. Also known as knothead. You can see that big knot on his forehead. Had the vets look at it. It doesn't need to be addressed medically. Don't really know what it is. It's just doesn't affect him. He just has a big knot on his head. But he's the last man through the gates now. I get to close them for the next pasture. This crew here's all got to go to bull hauler pasture. Come on, guys. Whoop. Let's go. There's grass out there. Let's go. Move it. Come on. I'm not faster than you. You need to try to help me out here. There you go. 101. Let's go. Don't make me rock your world. Hey, go. There's grass out there. Come on. Most of them been handled this so much. They're fairly easy to get along with. I wouldn't do this. I know most of them. I wouldn't take a chance if. Hell, I'm not that fast. If I was gonna get smoked, I would go somewhere else. Go on. I do respect them. Much more than they respect me. Now we get to go set gates for the next pasture. Buddy, did you come up here and tell them who's the boss, huh? Look at the neck and the hump on him. Did you come up here and tell them who's the boss? This next bunch is coming up here, big bull pasture. Here come the big bulls. These guys have done it before. They know the routine. So I'm gonna move out of the way. Everybody's favorite Lover Boy in 850. Pretty much in retirement now. They've been good ones for a long time. They think they won something when they hear that semi down there and they don't have to be on it. There's K2, the king. I don't know what this white bull's name is, but he sure does take some pretty pictures when you're up in the pasture and the lighting's right. And I just got the message from my leader that there's 6 of them in this deal. Come on, guys, keep moving. They're union, they gotta take a break every once in a while. Well, we're halfway there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's 5. Oh, that's Snack Pack. You can't see Snack Pack because he's a lowrider. He's the coolest of the bunch, though. If he was bigger, he'd be dangerous. Snack Pack. I don't know what he calls this one. And that turd right there, he calls Bulldozer in the back because he will go through a fence if he has an option. But there's our 6. Now I can go reset gates. Bulldozer, you could dry lock him and it wouldn't look like he missed a meal. Oh, I know what that one is. That one chases you. I don't know what his name is, but I know what he looks like. He'll chase you on a horse for sure. Well, that's the end of this pasture. Or this cut off the trailer going in their pasture, kicking up dirt and loving life. Sure is a pretty time of day with that light coming across. There's my man Snack Pack. He's not big enough to be a full meal. That's Chucky being a turd. Here's Otis on the far side. Snack Pack, he decided to drink out of the water hole instead of drinking out of the water trough. Bulldozer, he walked right through it instead of going around it. Those are water holes where you see the taller grass. They've dug holes and they carry water in those now. Wilson. I don't know what that one's name is. Not a bad life here at the Berry Ranch. There you go, Snack Pack. Don't get eaten by a piranha. Everybody just getting dirt on them, keeping flies off of them. Mother Nature takes care of stuff that way. Day's work is done. Good job, boys. That's 10T. You got a big old hind leg, but you don't stop him.